a new waterfall I built for the turtle home. Built all this for a buddy. Got our ports and pools. This is what I just got through making. This little fake waterfall here. It comes out. You got your pump back there. Goes in. You can see it right there. Oh shit. Anyway. That's what it looks like. Pretty cool. Just got finished slapping some dry brush on this new water feature I just got through making for the turtle enclosure. Got a tunnel in there, goes way there. Anyways, for the water side, just got through pulling this out of the mold and slap some dry brush gray paint on it just to see what it looked like. It hooks to the pump right there. It goes in, lines right up with the lip right there. You can take it out and see what it looks like a little closer. Get your overlaying rocks. Well, shit. Water comes out right there. There's a little basin in there. You can't see it. A little basin in there. Back looks like that. Just trimmed it up. Gotta do a little more paint. It's gonna be a more brown color, but if you'd like to know how to make it, I will post a video. Water feature for the turtle home. I'll do custom ones for people if they would like. But there it is. Kind of made it look like it's kind of coming out of the wall, you know. Down that side. But yeah. Custom stuff, folks. If you need it, message me.